Hello everyone, how you doing? Welcome back to this channel. So into this tutorial, I'm talking about integrating Access database table into Excel workbook. Integrating Access database table into Excel workbook. So you can see that in the previous tutorial that I'll put the link up here. If you haven't watched that, please do so you can learn how to integrate from Excel into Access. In this particular one, we are integrating Excel Access into Excel using the same table that we used in the previous video tutorial. So right here, I'm just going to click and create a new sheet here by clicking that new button. So I'll click this button. So I have a new spreadsheet here, which I'm going to name. Alright, before I rename this, so I'll just go ahead straight to where, remember what I want to do. I want to import, usually it's on the home tab. So when you want to import a data from an external source, you click on the data tab, the data tab there. Once you do that, go to the get and transform data. You would see the get data button. Click the down arrow there. Remember, we want to get from a database, and what database? There are several databases you can get information from, but we want to get from Microsoft Access database. So once you locate where your data is, you click open. So I want to get my data from this database table, so I'll just click and click the import. So I want to import a table from this database. I'll click import. Now it's loading. In that database, it's letting me know that I have several objects there in that particular database. Here I have a query, I have acceptance table, I have acceptance table, I have acceptance table, candidates acceptance table, and Olympics table. Now you need to be sure of which particular table you want to import from the Access database. I want to import the acceptance. I want to import the acceptance table. Very important, you need to know the name of table you want to import from your database Access. So this is what I want to import, so I'll click on that, and then it loads here. Once you see that that's what you're doing, what you want to import, but very important, you need to know the name. So it shows on this other view, gives you a view of what you want. Now at this point, you click the down arrow, choose load to. Let's just use the load to. This goes straight and loads it in, but use the load to, which is, if I click on that, now it's going to bring out loading. Good. Now the import data dialog box comes out. Select how you want to view this data in your workbook. Right, table, you want to view it as a table, so leave it at that point. Where do you want to put the data? Where do you want to put the data? Now these two buttons, if you click on this, it's always on this part, new worksheet. So it's going to create a new worksheet for you. Remember, I already created a worksheet here, so I don't want it to create a new worksheet, so I'll just click on this part, existing worksheet. So once you do that, you click the OK button. It's getting the data. So I have imported the information that I have in the database Access into the Excel Access. So this is what I have. The column names, you can see they are the same thing, and at this point it gave me a true false, true, and all of that. So the percentage, you can easily just format it back to your percentage. You go to that point, you make it as your percentage. You see, you change, and that's what we have. And at this point, acceptance, you can probably just change the true to yes if you wish. And that's how to import a table from the Access database into your workbook. So once you do that, let's rename this sheet 1 to acceptance, right? Acceptance. So that's it. You've seen how to integrate or how to import a table from the Access database into the Excel workbook. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button, share the videos,